their new toy. Right. When I first filmed Sonny, he didn't move, he wouldn't say anything, he had no intention of doing anything, and now look at him, playing king of the castle. Don't play with them. Don't play with them. Well, it looks like Storm's won. She's had enough. Oh, nice. He's stalking her. He's going to the loo and he's stalking her. I was going to paint that, but Carol said there was no need to, the cats wouldn't care, so I didn't. It's just scrap wood I had in the shed. Still. Yeah, they definitely got more active. We reckon, Carol worked out the weight, we reckon that we were 4 weeks old when we got them. Because they were the right weight for 5 weeks old now. But then we don't know, say someone just chucked them over the fence. Yeah, Mummy's come in, he's off now. Anyway, hang on, what's she doing? She's going to go back up there. Anyway, they're fit and they play for quite some time. And there they go, they're down on the tree now. And Carol was doing her usual, and Mummy fine them, and oh, are we doing this right? Are we doing that right? And as usual, she Googles everything. Anyway, from us and the kittens, it's ciao for now. Don't forget, pop along to Dreamtime Stories 5843. If you want to see some more of the videos, please do leave a comment, a like, share, push the notification button, and if you're interested in the books, it's Paul Viscount at amazon.co.uk. So for me and the mischievous kittens, it's ciao for now.